How to play YouTube in background. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the general option you see there. Further, tap on the picture-in-picture option, and in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for start PIP automatically. And now go ahead and open YouTube on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here you will see the option for general. Tap on that and you will then see the option for picture in picture. So go ahead and toggle off toggle button for picture in picture, and this is how you can play YouTube in background. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.